Take a ride in the 2018 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 90,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, heated mirrors, chrome wheels, stability control, tire pressure monitor, engine immobilizer, fog lamps, four-wheel disc brakes, tires front all season, tires rear all season. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.